told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Pambahay lang po. Hindi na kailangan yung maraming sahog. Importante may lasa ng mas masarap na mga ito. Yan po. Gulay, sayote. Yung cauliflower, isang ano na lang po, saka broccoli para sabay na lang sa paglambot. Ayan. Haluin. Tubig. Pabayaan ko ng kumulo. Lagyan ng mahuli. Ayan na po. Siya. Yan na po ulam namin. Ayan po. Luto na po siya.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.